Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm really excited this morning. We have arrived in Chicago, Illinois for the PUDDLE Sweet 16 2024 event. This is so much more than a show. The first group activity is a trip to Gigi and Sherry's Dolls and Teddy Bears. I am so excited to meet new friends and
Dory,
see.
be grabbing this girl right here. This is for you, Dory. Look at this. The model. Look at this doll. Oh my. Oh. Gosh, check out those embroidered boots. And the Valentine's Barbie. Oh, how cool is that? Sunny. Or is that Sunny? Not sure. Oh my God, these are so cool. Yeah, there's Cher. I have a Penny Bright from my childhood that is my own original doll.
These are ones on the
Just gorgeous. I always think of Tammy Polly when I run into these Elowen outfits. Oh, that's really cute. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my God. Oh, she's gorgeous. Her mom. That clothing and that face and those dolls.
Good, how are you?
Don't know anything.
Yeah, but that's why.
Did you see this? I love the Chatty Cathys. I have a large collection of Chatty Cathy. Well, the Chatty family. The little tiny itsy bitsy dolls. They're so tiny. Can you see them? Look at this gal's hair and the I Dream of Jeannie hair. Oh, 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 oh. They're just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. My friend Irene Huff at Irene Dolly Space would be standing here with me.
just wave to us.
My husband was laughing because I stole it.
After a lunch with new friends, we got to hang out in the ballroom where we watched all the table captains were setting up their tables. A table captain decorates the table and usually gives a goodie bag to the 8 people around their table. This is like the coolest event.
Damn it, now I want donuts. That's not fair.
It is so nice to meet you.
Little tags because I'm like, is this a CJ wig? I don't know.
I'm really sad that
Now I know I'll mess up this name, but as a group, we all went for dinner to Masuwa, say it, Darren,
Mitsuya.
Marketplace, a Japanese food court, and they had a little store, and they had some interesting dolls. You'll see those coming up here.
At the bookstore.
Yeah. When we got back, there was a pajama party, although no one really wore their pajamas except my smart doll. I had made them for her Thursday night in the hotel room. But it was just a group of people that got together in the evening. Gosh, we were there late too. And we were able to buy and sell some things from one another, visit, again, peek at the vendor stuff. We couldn't touch, of course, or buy anything from the vendors. But oh, what a wonderful, wonderful event. Saturday morning, the official, I guess, show or event began, and we could get in at 9 o'clock and start signing in and all those. We did that Friday night too. But we all mingled around and visited and looked at one another's dolls on the table, and we got our goodie bags from our table captains.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
We were down, like, because I had said something, he's like, oh yeah, I heard that FedEx bill. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I got the Joel pudding.
I'm not going to get to it. I mean, they all come back from my shop. Yeah, they don't come back right away. Really? Okay. And what did she say? How much did she get? Perfect. There's a 460. Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of a...
That girl, I have 4 3-eyed, and so I was getting my first pre-order.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing well.
really don't know because I think she likes. Am I right?
Do you have $10? My mom has the blue one. I think you took a video.
Who is the table captain for this one?
Taylor, over there with the pink.
Right.
At 10 o'clock, Jane gave the opening words, and then at 10:15 we were able to start shopping.
I think both doll size for original series. I actually made a Captain Kirk for a Tiang a million years ago, and then I took him.
I love it. Such a cute idea. Did you come up with the idea?
Oh no, this is a company release. But I like her. I like her coloring.
Yeah.
Uncle died first, so there was nothing to do there. But when the aunt passed away, we found out later.
And I was like, wow.
After lunch, Darren went and got, how do you say that, portillos?
Portillos?
Thank you, Andrew, for turning us on to those hot dogs. That's a story in itself. There were contests and events. There was even cake. The cake was decorated so cute. There was a workshop that we got to vote on the contest. We had a slip of paper and it was blind voting, which I absolutely love. The dolls were set up and we got to vote on those. We got treasure table tickets. Try to say that real fast when you're old. And we put those, there were treasures sitting out on the table with a bag in front of them or behind. And the item that you wanted to win or have, I guess, you put your ticket inside of. That was really fun. And I did win something. And the contest winners were announced. And sadly, the show closed. However, the evening went on. After the show, several of us had dinner together at the restaurant at the hotel. That was really fun. And then they had a pajama party again, and they had crafts and other people sold their stuff, setting them out on tables. And wait till you see what I got on another video.
We have had such a fun time. Can't wait till next year. But we are sadly leaving Puddle for this year, 2024. And a big shout out to all my friends at Puddle, all those old and all those new. See you next time.